Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like this video as well. Laba fethu, I'll be talking about lento yamaciko, especially ama-actor, ama-actress nje njalo njalo. I saw story futhi la kwiSolezwe. iSolezwe likhuluma Brenda Mhlongo, something. Brenda Mhlongo, yeah. Let me confirm again for you ukuthi-ke ngempela ngikhuluma ngomuntu okuwuyena. Yeah, uBrenda Mhlongo. So uBrenda Mhlongo was invited in one of ama-prayers abenziwa laphaya kwi-venue yase-DUT, Durban University of Technology. Yabo, kusho ukuthi ubeyisikhulumi khona, ubeyi-guest speaker. And then what happened ukuthi uma ekhuluma wa-include lento yokuthi-ke nabo as abantu aba-actayo kumele bathandaziswe noma bathandazelwe ngenxa yemisebenzi abangayitholi. And nganemicabango yokuthi okay fine, njengoba siwadinga abantu abamaciko, abantu abasebasha, okay, abantu abanye babo uthola ukuthi okay fine basha kunjalo, kodwa manje at the same time asibaboni, asibatholi kwilentuzana kuma-screens ethu, yabo. And kuhamba kuhambe cause kunabantu abayifundele lezi zinto, kuhamba kuhambe kube i-issue ukuqasheka komuntu uma esemdala, kade kungabanga lula futhi ukuqasheka kwakhe esayingane, yabo. Enye into futhi engingayiphonsela-ke mhlampe-ke inselelo, ibona abantu okuyibona bona mhlampe kumele bazame ukudlala around, especially social media, or else babe mningi kakhulu nje abantu ku-social media bayi-advertise. Always try by all means to promote into vele oyenzayo, yabo. Always try by all means to connect nabantu, because enye into angeke umsebenzi uze uyifikele kuwena, yabo. Angeke umsebenzi uzuvele nje uze kuwena, uwena ongayidonsela umsebenzi, yabo. Leyo nto ngiyishiso ukuthini, ukuthi abanye abantu umuntu ungambona qwaqwa kuma-screens and then bese ya-relax ayitshela ukuthi hhayi abantu ngoba vele sebeyangazi. Sometimes kumele uyipromote wena, yabo, by yourself. Uyipromote wena in a sense ukuthi akuwena ofuna umsebenzi, iwona umsebenzi ofuna wena. Ngamanye amazwi iwona ama-companies agcine esefuna wena, cause some of ama-artist analeya nto futhi yokuthi wona awancengi, yabo. Ngike ngambona nje nomama ulokhungani, I think uGcina Mkhize, complain-a, yabo, esho kona ukuthi yena ngeke akasancenge muntu. Ilentuzana ku-social media kunenye futhi ividiyo athi kuyona yena mhlampe uyabo ukwenzelelwa ukuthi-ke abantu kuzoloke kuthiwa eyi bandla ake simsize, noma kune-favour kumele siyenzele usibanibani, wathi yena akayifuni leyo nto. Yes, ku-right lokho, because you want to know nawe, you want to see even ukuthi okay fine, mina ilentuzana i-skill sami noma ithalente lami ilona ngempela elingisebenzelayo, it's not ama-favours lawa engenzelwa wona, yabo. So abanye abantu vele abakufuni lokho, and akumele vele abantu benzelwe ama-favour, yabo, because kumele kubonakale kumele ekugcineni kubonakale futhi abantu bagculiseke into abasuke beyibuka kuma-screens, because leya nto leya njengoba ibizwa nge-entertainment industry, is there to entertain but also to educate, to inform abantu ngezinto ey'thile. So kumele ube ne-skill sokwenza lezo zinto, yabo. Ube ne-skill, ukwazi ube umuntu ohlale futhi up to date, enze i-research ngezinto ey'threndayo. Zama nawe ukuy'faka ey'ntweni ey'threndayo, yabo, as i-artist, because ama-artist ukuhlakanipha kwawo aku-evolve around i-environment ngaleso sikhathi leso, yabo. Aku-evolve around izinto ezenzakalayo. Uma kukhona into eyenzeka nje iyaduma yaziwa kakhulu, change the content noma the context of leyo nto leyo into something, yabo. Zama uku-create-a something kuvele kuwena. Baningi abantu aba-create i-content la othola ukuthi khona even abanye abantu nje abama-artist aba-actayo, umuntu ufike abone something kade mhlampe i-trend-a nje, into ey'bhedelayo eceleni, kodwa yena bese enze i-content yakhe ngendlela yakhe. I think ama-artist kumele azame nokuzisebenzela bafethu, try ezinye izinto, yabo. Ezinye izinto ey'fana nabo-YouTube laba, la bantu already mhlampe abanye babo bayaziwa. Zama nabo-YouTube, use u-YouTube as i-tool bafethu. Akekho umuntu ongalambi eno-YouTube, yabo. And futhi okumnandi bona bakwi-public eye, sebe-popular, bayaziwa la bantu. So kulula ukuthola ukugeyina abantu abazolokhu ngani. Only into okumele abayenze is to mhlambe find content ukuthi okay fine, ngizokwenza ini, what will be my focus-ke kuleyo content leyo engizobe ngiyenza, yabo. Because abantu already once nje wane-followership, once wavela lapha kuma-screens, once wanendima oyidlalayo kuma-screens, different mhlampe dramas or soapies, usuwumuntu lapho. Khona abantu abangama-followers akho abangakwazi ukuthi-ke bakulalele kunokuthi ulokhu njalo ubalise njengoba benza abanye abantu. I think okay fine, ku-right ukuthi bathandaziswe, but kumnandi ukuthandaziswa kodwa phezu kwento vele nawe oyenzayo, yabo. Ngeke vele impilo yabo yonke khona abantu abangama-legends abakwenzile lokho, but then not everyone ongaphila impilo yobu-legend-ke kuze kube ukuthi uze uyophela, yabo. Kuze kube ukuthi umphefumulo wakho uyaphuma impela nje wena ulokhu uhleli kwi-industry. Try to find other means, or try to find other sources okwazi ukuthi-ke ufake i-income yakho, yabo. Anyways, bafethu, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you have anything to say, do comment on the section down below. Don't forget to like this video as well. If ever uyithola le video informative, bafethu, do comment kwi-section ngezansi, ushare nale video. Ngibonge kakhulu, danko.